whole new level. We're going to see if he wants to show you what we mean. All right, Groucho. Here we go. What happened? Okay, I guess that's it for that song. I have to tell you guys though, Groucho. Thank you guys. Groucho actually knows the lyrics to 7 different songs from beginning to end. What do you guys think? Do you want to hear one more? Alright, Groucho, these guys want to hear one more song, but first, can you give him a great big kiss? Yeah, good stuff, that kiss, I agree. Alright, Groucho, they want to hear one more song, but let's see if we can do a full one this time. Here we go.